I'm not having a mental breakdown, but I am quite stressed about the amount of work it takes to break down the number for insurance contract liabilities. I came up with a 100-line spreadsheet just to be able to summarize on a big four set of disclosures just around the ICL number. There are a lot of ways of breaking it down. It obviously is made up of some component parts, and the CSM and the liabilities change over time depending on the service offered by the insurance company. But the insurance contract liability needs to be broken down with the liability for incurred claims, the liability for remaining coverage, also whether it's an asset or a liability, and you need to agree a way of showing the sign of that. For me, as an accountant, liabilities are always negative, but depending on the report, you may want to change that. You need to be able to show what's insurance and reinsurance. You need to break it down by cash flows, risk adjustment, and CSM if you're using the general model, and be able to adjust that for the PAA, the Premium Allocation Approach model. This Big Four disclosure report showed it broken down by currency, by portfolio, by duration of liability. There are different controls and different ways of showing it if it is the GMM or the PAA models, and you of course will want to break it down by business unit and country. So there's an awful lot of ways of breaking down the same number, and it has a lot of elements. So it is very, very detailed. It's very, very easy to pick up the wrong thing, and for this to work, to be able to produce it and to change the controls depending on the measurement model you're using, I really recommend you industrialize it. You use the right software, the right processes, the right data, and make sure you have a smooth process. So prioritize reporting, prioritize that end result, and know how you want to break it down, how you have to break it down, and how your business itself will want to break it down. And you need to test out, will your software be able to show it in all the ways that you want? If you don't know that, then you should be testing your reports and testing your software. My name is Brian Birch, and if you like this video, please like it and make any comments that you want. I am interested in what are the issues around IFRS 17, so please comment or connect on LinkedIn.